Oh, hi everybody. A very good evening. It's what is it, man? It's looks like 1:25 in the night, Saturday night. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff, and in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor plus interior solutions where we have lots of interesting items. I'm going to keep the introduction short because I can't talk too much as I'm on medication and stuff, but there are corporate gifting items and stuff like that. And this brings me to the chapter which is slow life. So apparently, I'm again on a slow mode. I'm pushed to be on a slow mode. So this is something which I had shared a few months back also on a slow life with the health challenges coming your way and stuff in a great cosmopolitan, happening, challenging city like Delhi and a country like India. Um, so this is a read which is called The Slow Life, and it says you can get a uh, long way happening faster if you are walking slowly. So we're in big cities like Bombay, we're in Bangalore, we're in international countries and stuff. We're in let's say a city like Delhi, and we are rushing. We got planes to catch. We've got jobs to do. We've got taxis to go in. We've got to drive. We got to have the metro happening to us and stuff. And then you have certain health concerns and stuff like that. So what do you do? I think what you apparently could do is not because of the fact that it's a slow life, but also because it's a weekend. Make the best use of that time to kind of slow down and unhook yourself from the usual and stuff. And as you do that, you will feel a certain kind of respite or a certain kind of wholeness, or you feel complete. So let me share an example. So yesterday, I mean, I was in acute pain and stuff like that. I'm on medication and stuff, and I said, okay, I normally do my work. I'm not normally on social media. I'm normally emailing. Normally, I'm on social media, following people, leaders, and I'm reading books and I'm doing my creativity and stuff like that. So I'm not going to do all of that. I'm going to just kind of say, to hell with all of this. I'm picking up my car and I'm going and watching a movie. So I did that. I went for a movie. Mind you, it's really cold here, and I mean, the pollution is kind of not that great and stuff. And I went and I watched a movie. And the first thing I did was I switched off my phone. I mean, sorry, I didn't switch off my phone, but I put my phone on a silent mode and I watched a movie. I had a hot dog, I had a coffee, and I was just disconnected from the world. And I went for some shopping and I enjoyed, kind of meeting people and being in the real world and stuff. And I came to this realization that, we are so kind of in habits, or we are kind of, because of the work that we've been doing over the years, and it's become a part of our system. I mean, I've worked in the corporate world, so I know that, when you leave a job or when you quit something and you're a part of a system and stuff, it takes a while to kind of disconnect. But then what do people like me do? I mean, I had two options. Either I could just hold my face and I could just cry and complain and crib and say, hey, you know what, I'm in pain, and have all the attention, get everybody down. Or I could just take charge of myself, pick up myself, drive myself to a mall, watch a movie, have some nice, interesting time, you know, and do a little bit of retail therapy and shopping and stuff, and come back totally rejuvenated and stuff. It's not like I didn't message, or I didn't mail. I did have some, very senior people I had to kind of respond to and stuff for some other events and other things. But the moment I was kind of unhooked from technology, I was away from the world. There were no voices in my head. There was no music. There was no news. There were no debates. It was just me and my creativity, and it was just the movie that I'm watching and stuff. So the point is this: that when you're in a situation like this, where you have the opportunity